Hey there, EV enthusiasts! Ever wondered what it's really like to own an electric car? Well, today I'm diving into the lives of real EV owners, sharing their day-to-day experiences. Buckle up, because it's going to be an electrifying ride. First up, let's meet Sarah. She's been driving her Tesla Model 3 for over a year now. When I asked her about her daily routine, she said, "Honestly, charging at home is a game changer. I just plug it in overnight and I'm good to go in the morning. No more gas stations ever." Next, I chatted with Mike, who owns a Nissan Leaf. He's all about those eco-friendly vibes. "I feel good knowing I'm reducing my carbon footprint," he mentioned. Plus, the instant torque is addictive. It makes city driving so much fun. Now, let's talk about cost savings. Emma, who drives a Chevy Bolt, shared her excitement. "Before switching to an EV, I spent a fortune on gas and maintenance. But now, my electricity bill is way lower, and since there are fewer moving parts, maintenance is minimal." Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. James, a proud owner of a Ford Mustang Mach-E, brought up some challenges. "Long road trips require a bit more planning," he admitted. "You have to map out charging stations along your route, but honestly, it's a small trade-off for all the benefits. And what about those cold winter months?" Lisa, who owns a Volkswagen ID.4, had some insights. "Winter can impact battery range," she explained, "but preconditioning the car while it's still plugged in helps a lot. Plus, heated seats and steering wheel are lifesavers." So, what's the verdict? Are these real EV owners happy with their choice? Absolutely. From the convenience of home charging to the thrill of instant acceleration, the benefits seem to outweigh the minor inconveniences. If you're on the fence about making the switch to electric, take it from these folks. It's a lifestyle upgrade with a positive impact on both your wallet and the planet. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights from the world of electric vehicles. Stay charged, folks.